Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I am going to be doing something a little different. I'm gonna do the no mirror makeup challenge for you guys today, so that should be pretty entertaining. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out. Hopefully not too bad, but we will definitely be putting my skills to the test. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover up my camera and get started. Okay, so here goes. I literally cannot see myself at all. I'm pretty nervous about this, but here we go. So the first thing I always do is primer. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. So I just put on my St. Morris self tanner. So I really don't know how this color match is going to work without a mirror, but here we go. Mix a little bit of my Kat Von D Lock-It foundation with a little bit of my Tarte Amazon Clay. I'm going to go in now with my NARS Soft Matte Concealer. This stuff is really good, but you have to know the trick. It's kind of thick, so I like to put a little bit on the back of my hand and spread it around and kind of warm it up so it's not so thick on your eyes. And I'm going to take my Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, just do a little bit of highlighting. I'm just going to blend everything out with my beauty blender. I usually have trouble with like the inside of my eye, making sure I get all that concealer, so hope I got it all. Y'all are all probably laughing at me right now. I'm sure I look ridiculous, but we will soon find out. I'm going to set my under eyes with my Laura Mercier Under Eye Brightening Powder. Now I'm going to set the rest of my face with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. Now for contour, this should be fun. I'm using my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm taking the lightest color first. Now I'm dipping my brush in the second darkest shade. Now for the nose contour. Wish me luck. Now I'm going to try to highlight a little bit around that nose contour with my yellow powder from the Shade and Light palette. Now I'm going to attempt to do my eyes. I'm going to be using the CARLI BYBEL Deluxe palette. Now I'm taking one of the brown matte colors, putting that in the crease. And now to make my life a whole lot easier, I'm just going to be dipping my finger in the silvery purple that's in there. Looks like this. Don't know if you can see that or not, but... And I'm just going to put that on my lid. That's my favorite trick to do when I'm running late to anything and I want to look good still. I just put some pigment on my finger and dust it on my lid. Super quick, super easy, and does the job. I'm gonna brush away any fallout. I'm getting close to the end, guys. I hope this is going well so far. I'm gonna use my Tarte blush. It is called Moment. For highlight today, I'm going to use Authentic by Tarte. I'm just taking that same highlight and putting it in the inner corner. Okay, now I would definitely attempt the eyeliner if it was something that I did every day, but since I don't do it every day, I don't feel like my muscle memory is there, and that is just gonna turn out to be a huge disaster, so I'm not gonna do that. But I need to do my brows still, so I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetics palette for that. For lips today, I'm going to use HONEYLOVE by MAC. It's like my go-to for nude. You can't mess up a nude lip, so gotcha. Now time for mascara. I pretty much do this every day in the car, so I feel like I will succeed. Using Smashbox X-Rated mascara. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I'm literally obsessed. I tell everyone to buy it because it's the best. I need a new one though, so it's a good trick when you're doing mascara to look down. It helps eliminate all the black that you might get on your lid. I'm going to go in with this Buxom mascara. This stuff is also just as amazing. If you're not like me, if you don't layer your mascaras, then I would definitely say you need the Smashbox one because that one just does wonders for your lashes. But I really like this one for after that to really comb out the lashes, and this one is great on your bottom lashes. Okay, so here's the final look. I'm gonna go grab my mirror real quick so I can see what damage I did on my face. Here we go. Oh. Okay, not too bad. I mean, I've got some mascara on my brow bone, but other than that, I mean, really not too bad. My nose contour looks a little bit crazy, but hey, I can do my makeup without a mirror, kind of. Not like I'm gonna keep doing this, but yeah, so thank you so much for watching me today. That is crazy looking. This was a lot of fun. I hope you guys feel motivated to try the no mirror challenge yourselves. I would love to see that. It is definitely hilarious. It definitely gets you out of your element, and you will never take your mirror for granted again, that is for sure. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'm still offering $20 off a makeup session, whether that be a makeup application, a makeup lesson, whatever it is, you're gonna get $20 off if you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my video. So please do that, and please keep watching and supporting me. I really do appreciate everyone who's been supporting me on this journey. I know that it doesn't happen overnight, so I truly appreciate y'all sticking with me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.